Good evening to you all, and today we are going to replace very with these words. So let's understand. Now we usually say very beautiful. We often say very beautiful to everyone whom we meet, or they look beautiful, so we say very beautiful. So instead of that, we can use these words like elegant, gorgeous, lovely, radiant. You're looking radiant, and you're looking lovely, you're looking elegant, right? Very rich. Now you can replace this by wealthy, well-to-do, prosperous, well-off. Very cute you can replace with adorable, admirable. Now very afraid, suppose you're very afraid or someone is very afraid, you can use this word terrified, fearful or petrified. Now very bad, if you want to say it to someone you're very bad, you can always use this word, you're awful, you're atrocious, you're rotten or you're miserable. So in this way you can understand these words and they look very polished and stylish also. So there's one more, very boring. You can write in the chat box or you can pin me down what is the replacement for very boring. If you've liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe.